Hello everyone, this is Rudrita and welcome back to my channel The Beautiful Soul. I hope you all are doing good. আজকে আমি যে ভিডিওটা নিয়ে এসেছি সেটা আমার কারেন্ট হেয়ার কেয়ার রিজিম নিয়ে অ্যান্ড ইউ পিপল অল নো যে আমার হেয়ারটা কাইন্ড অফ স্ট্রেট। সো আমি কিছু স্টেপস ফলো করি যাতে আমার হেয়ারটা অনেক টেম লাগে, ইট লুকস মোর প্রফেশনাল। সো আই এম গোয়িং টু শেয়ার all the steps with you all guys so that you can also have naturally straight a beautiful hair in your home. As you all people know that my hair is naturally straight, so I take some steps to make sure that my hair looks nice and straight. And for that I use Loreal Xtenso shampoo. It gently cleanses straightened hair with an anti-dryness action which makes my hair much more softer and it doesn't make your hair at all frizzy and it looks naturally very beautiful and it's quite cheap in price. It's only 580 rupees for 250 ml product. Followed by the next step. For next step I use a hair mask, that is Loreal Xtenso hair mask. It adds nice strength and nourishment to my hair. It costs only 685 rupees for 196 gram product. And applying this hair mask is truly very easy. All you need to do is make sure your hair is properly wet. It's not towel dried or it's not semi dried. It has to be proper wet hair, and apply this from the midline to the tip of your hair and leave it for around 5 to 10 minutes according to your hair length. For my hair length I used to keep it for 5 to 7 minutes and I'm good to go. And after this 5 to 7 minutes all you need to do is just rinse your hair. And the final step is applying a serum, and for that I use Loreal Xtenso hair serum. And again, that make sure that you should not apply this hair serum or hair mask to your scalp. All you need to do is apply this on the hair from the midline to the tip of your hair and you are good to go. Now you're all set to go with your straightened hair. This is the final result. This 3-step hair care regime is the ultimate one-stop solution to your straight hair concerns. And what gives me more confidence is that it's a hairdresser favorite. It is recommended to keep the salon straight hair straight and smooth for longer. My hairdresser has recommended me quite a few months ago and I have been using this since then. This range is something I'm totally addicted. As you can see, just I have done with my this hair care regime and you can see how straight my hair looks, how professional my hair looks. If you want to get this kind of hair in your home, I would suggest you all to just go ahead and use this. All the buying links I will list it down below in the description box, so make sure to check out that. And if you have already used this or you are planning to get your hands on this, don't forget to share your feedback in my comment section below. This is all about today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this watching and see you in my next one. Till then, take care of yourselves and bye bye.